Welcome to our channel. Today we talked about six-figure profit license. Brand new plug-and-play commission system for October 2022. Limited time only, for anyone who wants to use our $500 plus per day automated commission system. Without any hard work, previous experience, paying for traffic or doing anything technical. Push-button system lets you clone our automated passive commission system that makes us $562.97 plus per day. Set and forget system that makes at least $500 per day for us without sending emails, creating funnels, TikTok, YouTube, Amazon or crypto. I'm using this system to earn at least $500 per day by giving away free stuff that people need. What is the six-figure profit license? The six-figure profit license is your opportunity to license a brand new online system that makes over six figures in commissions per year for the creator. Myself, Glenn and the team have created an entirely new method and system that makes us at least $100 minus $500 in commissions per day. What's more, you don't need to have experience in affiliate marketing or any online business to have success with this system. The six-figure profit license has everything you need, and the majority of the system is done for you. Get access to the system created by a millionaire that generates multiple six figures per year. I've developed a secret system that allows us to make six figures per year by giving products away for free. More on that later. Once you purchase your license to this system, all you do is plug in your information and affiliate links into the system, and we'll do the rest for you. My team and I make at least $100 per day using this never-before-seen system. You only need one thing to have the kind of freedom and income I now have. A license to use the six-figure profit license so you too can do whatever you want whenever you want. The advantage of this license is that you're going to earn 100% commissions on multiple products we're including in this system, which range from low-ticket products that cost $7 all the way up to high-ticket products that cost over $1,000. This is an extremely unique system that combines free products, low-ticket products and high-ticket products that we connect together using our proprietary in-house triple-lock commission funnels. You see, until now, there was only one path to making money online and reaching $100 minus $500 per day. The old way. All I do now is give away products for free, which are made by other people. My new way of doing things generates at least $100 minus $500 in commissions per day for me. All from just one front-end customer that takes a free product. Because it's automated, fast and 100% done for you. And you can have the same success. If you buy from our description link, we will provide you a surprise bonus. You have to do just comment a screenshot of your purchase in this video. Thanks for watching.